Welcome to your daily motivation and inspiration with Dan. How to develop your willpower. What a great question. I mean, think about it. How do you develop willpower? Well, you have to develop it with focus and concentration. And unfortunately, that wasn't taught in schools. And our parents didn't know it, so we don't know how to focus and concentrate. We don't know how to develop our willpower. We don't know how to strengthen that. And in fact, that's a faculty of our mind. That's a power of our mind. Bob Proctor was my mentor, and he taught me that when I first met him. He taught me that there were 6 faculties of our mind. We have perception, will, imagination, memory, intuition, and reason. And you heard the second one, will. So that's your willpower. So how can you strengthen your willpower? Well, you need to have focus. And how do you have focus? Well, you need to have something, a plan or something that you're going to follow so that you can strengthen that. You need a roadmap. So the key to having more willpower is to have a plan, is to have something that you're focusing on and work towards it consistently. You know how it works. If you want something in your life, like if you want, for me in my business, if I want to have more people looking at my content, I'm going to have a plan to put more value out. And so I do. And that's why I make these videos for you every single day of the week. And so the key here is to have a plan that you can follow, a roadmap, so that you can focus. I mean, think about it. You will plan a trip, you'll plan a vacation, absolutely. Doesn't matter whether you're flying or driving, but if you're driving, you definitely will, because if you don't know the way to get there, the fastest way, you're going to go all over the place, and you're going to be looking for signs on the way to figure out how to get there. But if you have a plan, then you know how much willpower you're going to need. If it's a 4-hour drive, you're going to plan some stops along the way for food and drink and washing breaks. And so, we do that for our travels, but we don't do it for our life, which really bothers me. So I'm going to help you solve that. The solution is to have a plan, and I have the #1 planner for you. It's a productivity planner. I'm including it below here. You're going to be able to click on it and grab it. It's a planner. I show you exactly how to use it so you can take it, use it in your life, use it in your business, and put it to work. It's so easy to use, and I'm saying easy from a guy's perspective because, if you think about it, a guy needs something so easy, so simple to implement. So if you have a planner that you can easily implement and focus and take action, then you're going to get results and you'll strengthen your willpower. It's as easy as that. So grab it today, right now, below. You'll see it in the link. I'll include it here. You can grab this planner, put it to work, test it, and see how it works for you and develop your willpower and focus. If you're not watching this video on my YouTube channel, check it out over there. More videos like this to help you become a higher, better version of yourself. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.